Yes. Yes. What is this doing here? That's the only thing me with mistakes about the. Oh boy. Need to play something on music. You could do this all. I don't know why he does this all. This is too good. Ah, it's loud. Here we go again. It is tired. That's right. I messed it up. Let's go, Miffy. The music sounds funny. Yes, that's right. It's because you messed it up. It is funny. Oh, here we go again. Oh, Yoshi's not in this level anymore. This is Iron Farm player. Why? It's all Yoshi's. Oh, wow. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no. Ow. Donkey dinosaur? Why? Oh, no. Oh, no, oh, no. Oh, you Mimpi. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ow. Yoshi's story. Ruined. Donkey dinosaur. I don't know why this keeps happening, bro. No. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ow. Donkey dinosaur. Yep. Yep. You're right, Yoshi. You are Donkey dinosaur. And Miffy agrees. And Miffy agrees that too. To prove that he's a donkey dinosaur. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Yep. Yep. Donkey dinosaur. Oh no, oh no. Of course. Yoshi's donkey dinosaur. Oh no. Oh no. That was so funny. Yoshi's story. That was so funny. I'll just lay there in the first. Yoshi! You messed up the music big time. This is the most hilarious part of the channel. Please, remove it. Never let it be on YouTube again. No. Oh, that's what you get, player, for messing up. That's not what I get. It was by mistake. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Why? Why? I keep going. Oh no. Oh, corn's my favorite fire. I don't care no matter what. Since I just liked it for the years. I can't believe this is again. Oh! Got you safe, girl. Got you safe. Got you safe. Oscar! Your turn, my friend. Oh my gosh. Yup! Yoshi, Donkey Dinosaur, aka this. He's twitching. Dog's supposed to lay down on the side, then sleep. This is what they do, run in their sleep. They were chasing squirrels. I was take that for example. My god. I would take that for example. Oh my gosh. Donkey Dinosaur. Oh yeah, you first. I mean, you next. Instead of just having me play the game for a whole minute. Okay, that's enough. Oh man. Donkey Dinosaur. That's right, Yoshi. You were one. Donkey Dinosaur. Hey! Well, that's what princess get! No! That was me. Donkey Dinosaur. Say that again! You know what's gonna happen. Donkey Dinosaur. I haven't get the butterflies out of this catnip mode yet. I thought you were not here, I thought you're not here, pigeon. I was mitten. I thought you're not here, pigeon. I thought you're not here. Oh, Zen, wake up! Why are you kind of slow? Then this game. There you go. That's more like it. I told you I want this now instead of later. Yep. Yoshi's music. That's what I like. And she messes us up, make it slow down even worse. Why? I don't know why there are chicks in this level who literally just fly. Yup. Well, haha to you. When it feels like that, I feel like it's about to. Let me get him without missing him. Yeah, I know. Catnip is in the way to do this. How many moles do you even have in this game? A lot. Oh no, oh no. Oh, this, of course. Where is this even? Yeah, little one. Oh man. What? What do you mean that again? Okay. There she is. Just a game. No need to rage about it. Wow, I heard that sound. Never mind. At least still continue again. We beat Donkey Dinosaur. I got it. There's another one. Oh man. Oh, come on. Yes, it's absolutely tired because I messed it up with the music. Good. It'll last us for the whole minute. I can't believe I get this sound randomly. Yep, so random. I wonder where Yoshi's going again. Oh, I don't think it was even that hilarious to begin with. Now what? It's gonna be this? Oh, no, not this again. Oh, what now? Oh, Yoshi felt so angry that he wanted to shut down my street. Nothing else is completed. Sound effects alone. Yep, music's tired, definitely. Why? What do you mean bye-bye bees, Yoshi? You gotta be kidding. Oh, Yoshi. Oh, come on. Yup, Yoshi. Oh, more minutes later. Oh, dear. Oh, God. Oh, Yoshi. Oh, brother. I can't believe players making fun of me again. Oh, yeah. Come on. What? Is this gonna change? Oh, yeah. Take that, Yoshi. Oh, brother. If this makes it too long, maybe I'll make part 2. I don't know why it's this. Oh, bro. Because the music slowed down. Man, that was like 10 minutes we had this. Now we're going to another game. Sorry. And just go stick with Puzzle and Dragons for now. It's been like a whole minute of this. Sorry. Oh, what happened here to the game? Don't worry, it's still fine. Sorry, but I'm not going to that dungeon. Yes, that one. Check. Sleep powder, please. Thank you. Now let's go to another game, shall we? What? No more Dora the Explorer. Oh, hey. Welcome back. Again. Yup. Why didn't I pick up a present there? I'm still playing this every day. I'm not uninstalling it. It stays with me. Well, this is like the next thing I want to do. Play this one. It's just that I want to stay there for a year on this game. Yep, I wanted to, and it never stops being played. You gotta be kidding me. This? I don't know. Because Donkey Dinosaur Yoshi wouldn't even calm down for once and for all. Oh, are you mad, Yoshi? Sure, go ahead and get mad. It's just a game. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That's where it's getting to. What is it? What is this? That again? No. And no. Okay, good. That's what happens. I like that type of cat, to be honest. What? I said something about you? I think so. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Do what you're doing before. What now? Ah, yep, Yoshi failed. Yoshi did. Oh, there you go. Oh man. She's alright, no worries. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm going back to Yoshi. One more time. Yup. You hear me. We're going back to Yoshi. Start out with that music again. Here we go again. Yep. Why? Yeah, take it. Like it's a privilege. The pepper, nice. Oh, come on. Eat it. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Oh my gosh. It doesn't matter what it looks like. It's too much. Yoshi. Wow, that's how it sounds like. I know. It's been a while. Now we just call him Donkey Dinosaur, and then the Koopas call him the Donkey Dinosaur. Everything. That's hilarious. I am not a donkey. Because you have a saddle on your back that Mario rides on you every day. That's why you call it Donkey Dinosaur. Ooh. Oh. You heard that. Oh my gosh. You heard that. Here we go again. That's what happens. Too many Yoshis. Yep. Stop. Get some help. Alright then.